Welcome to the Weather Centre, where we can expect yet another scorching hot day over much of South Africa's interior. But we're expecting some rain at the start of the day over parts of the Eastern Cape, with isolated thundershowers over the northeastern and eastern interior, and the possibility of rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Things remain dry over the far northeastern part of the country, as well as over the western parts, where a sunny and hot Wednesday is forecast. Here's our rainfall probability map with a band of isolated thundershowers extending from the northwest through to the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as over parts of Mpumalanga, with a slight possibility of thundershowers as we head towards southern Limpopo. And here's that 40% chance of rainfall along the east coast. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating on Wednesday, with runway fires possible within the shade of red. They've also issued a special weather advisory for heatwave conditions, with very hot conditions continuing for Gauteng and the northwest, as well as parts of the Free State and the Northern Cape until Wednesday. Now here's an example of that very hot weather in Pretoria, where we can normally expect an average maximum temperature of 28 degrees, but temperatures between the 4th and 9th of February have been peaking in the mid-30s, and we're expecting a similar day on Wednesday with a high of 34. Mbombela also tops 34 degrees, with Johannesburg, Vredendal and Springbok all at 32, 41 for Appington, Kimberley at 39. We head into the mid-30s for Bloemfontein and R, and mid-20s for George and Port Elizabeth, with a high of around 30 for Pietermaritzburg and Durban, and Cape Town and Sutherland expecting a high of 28 degrees. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, but with fresh winds and moderate beach conditions for Langebaan and Alexander Bay. Along the west coast, we'll see a 1.5 metres southwesterly swell. In the southwest, fresh winds are forecast with moderate beach conditions, with a southeasterly wind from False Bay all the way through to Cape Agulhas, where strong winds are expected, with more of a southerly wind on the Cape Town Atlantic side. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell, with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. It'll be a good beach day along the south coast, with westerly winds starting off the day. Those become southerly at around lunchtime, and we'll see more of a southeaster in the afternoon, with light to moderate wind speeds. And then along the south coast, we'll see a 1.5 metre swell with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. Rain is forecast along the east coast, so poor beach conditions for Durban and Richards Bay, with the possibility of a few showers for the Wild Coast and East London. We're expecting a fresh south-southwesterly wind for East London, with more of a southerly wind for Durban and a south-southeaster for Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 1.5 metre easterly swell. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Wednesday.